Hey everybody, good afternoon and welcome back to Riverbank Customs, working on the shoebox. A lot of big plans for the next couple of days. Going to try to get a lot of things done on it. Going to really try to make a showing. Got a lot of new parts been delivered, and I'm really excited to get them on this car and see what they're going to look like. First thing Thursday afternoon, got some help lined up, going to help me get the body set on the new frame, see how that lines up. Hopefully that goes well. Once that's completed, we're waiting on some parts to come in from Shoebox Central. They're supposed to be here Saturday in the mail. Body bushings. Once those arrive, we can start putting the floor braces in, and that'll lead to putting new floor pans in. New floor pans I've had for a while, so I'm anxious to see what they're going to look like inside the body. Once that's done and everything's fitted and lined up like I like it and like I want it to be, then we'll try to get the engine and transmission set in. That's a job all of its own. Something I want to get done. See how that's going to look. But that's another video for another day. Now let's see what we can get done. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining us here at Riverbank Customs. A lot of work been going on this weekend, trying to get the floor pans fitted up, trying to get them Clicoed in. Got some parts in earlier this weekend I was telling you about. Put the floor braces in, got 3 of the 4 in. Now working on the driver's side, trying to get this driver's side floor pan fitted in where I like it. Just doing some test fitting, going to Clico everything in, not welding anything in right now other than the floor braces. Trying to get to a stopping point. So as I told you earlier, this is all EMS sheet metal. It's good quality stuff, but it does require some fitment. These panels come a little oversized, leaves you a little bit of room to cut and fit to your liking. So take a moment right here and just watch how we fit this panel right here. Watch how we get it in. Trying to close up some of the gaps and get everything laying down flat where I like it. Maybe this will work right here. Sometimes you got to get creative when you're doing this kind of work. There's no operation standard or no book that tells you exactly how this should go. A lot of it's trial and error. There is a book out that tells you some about replacing the floor pans in these Shoebox Fords. I've seen it, but I have not read it or do not know anything else about it. Just hold your ears there for a second. Like I said, just trying to get everything Clicoed back down where I like it. Not sure what's going on right there. Something solid. Yeah, do some trimming. Sure it will. For the most part, it's going in pretty good. All right. Just takes a little time. Got to be patient with it. Been a little busy today. It's hard to keep up with everything. Trying to really make a showing this weekend on it. Get these 4-pans quick out in, it'll be time to put an engine and transmission in. See what we can make that look like. See how we make that work. These parts come made extra, a little big, so you have some room to trim off. That's what we're doing now. Got everything Clecoed in place and marked. Take this piece out now, take it over to the table and cut some off of it. Okay, so we got that, and we'll have to do a little bit more fitting on that right there. Get it all drawn up tight like we want it. Get it where we want it. But hey, it's headed in the right direction now. I just want to take one last moment to catch everybody up for the weekend's activities here at Riverbank Customs. Been really busy this weekend. We kicked this thing off Thursday afternoon. My good friend Dennis Layton from Dirt and All Garage in Owenville, Alabama, come by and helped me for a little while. Come by and hung out with me. We were able to take the body off the original frame and put it on the new frame. Real excited to see the new stance, how the front end's working out, and how low the car's going to be laid. That's kind of the goal I've had. Still sitting kind of high in the back, but that's going to be taken care of with the 4-link I was telling you about earlier. Been working a lot on the floor pans this weekend. Received a shipment of parts from Shoebox Central coming in the mail Saturday afternoon, the body bushings. So that led to being able to put the floor braces in, and that led on into putting the floor pans in. Let's take a look at what we've been doing. So if you see here, the rear floor pan underneath the rear seat is in. It is just Clecoed in, kind of temporary. Then the driver's side floor pan is also Clecoed in. Kind of just temporary and everything for right now. Don't want to weld anything just yet. You never know when you might have to make some adjustments, some minor movements. I'm going to try this week to get the passenger side floor pan fitted in. Once it's in and the toe boards are fitted in, hopefully next weekend we'll be ready to set an engine and transmission in here just to kind of get a fitment on that and see what that's going to look like. Then we'll be ready to start moving on to the rear of the car. Try to get some of that taken care of. I'm going to try to get the stance like we want it. Kind of want a little bit of rake to it, but not a whole lot. So thank you for joining us this weekend. Hope you can get something from this video. I want to give a huge shout out to Shoebox Central. Quick shipment on those parts this weekend. All this floor pan, like I've told you, is a EMS sheet metal. They are the leader in this industry, especially for these Shoebox Fords. They make all kind of parts, but what we're dealing with fits these shoe boxes. These parts really look good. They fit well. Now, for those of you who have dealt with repop parts, you know there's some fitment involved in it. They make them a little oversized, so you got room to trim. So there again, appreciate you joining us. That's about all for this weekend. It's gonna be another busy week as we working on the shoebox.